What's up guys, Ryan with the MXG channel again. Today I've got an update for you guys that have been waiting for the KTM 2022 390 Adventure. Now the 390 Adventure is a street model, and so these street models usually get kind of announced in December and maybe November. They can start arriving at dealerships sometime in December, and they usually arrive December, January, February, March. Throughout that timeline, depending on the model and availability. So we knew we were getting a slightly updated 2022 KTM 390 Adventure this year. New graphics, new traction control modes, I believe, a couple other little things. The new color scheme, there's like a blue and orange one, looks pretty sweet. Super popular model though, guys. MSRP's $6,500, $6,600. Great bike for beginners, shorter people, just a fun machine. So we got to the spring this year and we hadn't heard anything about these bikes, which was weird. And so I made a video back in late spring, where is the 2022 KTM 390 Adventure? Hadn't heard a peep from anybody about this thing, but got tons of comments of people that had deposits down, were waiting on their bikes, and have good news for you guys today. Our dealership just got our two KTM 390 Adventures in, and it looks like other dealerships are getting them all at the same time. I've got people commenting saying, hey, I just got my call from the dealer, I'm going to pick it up. So these bikes have arrived. So we were kind of worried because the 701 and 690 Enduro, they ended up being discontinued. So dealers were told they were getting these, they were kind of pulled back, and then they were discontinued completely, so we think. But no need to be alarmed about 390 Adventure, but if you want one, I probably would reach out to a dealer and snag one now, because if you don't snag one now and they're gone, you could be waiting, it could be 6-8 months or longer before you see another one. So we know that KTM's got some changes ahead. There's going to be a 490 engine instead of a 390. Not sure exactly what's going to happen with the time on that, when that's going to come to place, but it's going to happen at some point. So yeah, it's just something to be aware of. I appreciate you guys watching this channel, and if you appreciate these videos, you can get your KTM, Suzuki, Yamaha OEM parts, any of your aftermarket parts, $99 free shipping. Get it from AOMC. First link in the description, and it'll support me too. So appreciate you guys. See you in the next video.